Have you ever felt like your mind is either stuck in the past or racing toward the future, thinking about what you should have said or what might happen next, feeling like you're always somewhere else? You're not alone. The brain is wired to wander, to replay the past and predict the future. But peace isn't in yesterday, and it's not waiting for you in tomorrow. It's only ever here, now. Today, I'm going to guide you into a deep, effortless state of presence where your mind softens, your body relaxes, and everything slows down. Because the moment you stop chasing peace is when you find it. So get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Let the air fill your lungs, expanding like a rising wave. And exhale gently through your mouth. Feel your shoulders drop, your body release, and your thoughts quiet. Again, breathe in, and as you exhale, feel yourself arriving in this moment, like a leaf drifting down onto the surface of a still pond, like the soft glow of the moon resting in the night sky. Feel yourself settling, body, mind, and energy, into deep calm. There's nowhere else to be, nothing to fix, nothing to change. Only this moment, only this breath. Right now, as your breathing slows, something is happening deep in your brain. When we live in the past or the future, the sympathetic nervous system is activated. This is our body's fight or flight mode. Stress hormones like cortisol flood our system, making our thoughts race, our muscles tense, and sleep difficult to find. But this breath, this moment, changes everything. With every deep inhale, your brain signals to the parasympathetic nervous system to take over. This is your rest and digest state. Your heart rate slows. Your muscles soften. Your brain waves shift into a relaxed alpha state, the gateway to deep peace. Right now, as you listen, you are not just relaxing. You are rewiring your brain to access this calm more easily. And the best part, this peace isn't something you have to create. It's already here. You're just learning how to return to it. Imagine you are standing in a quiet, snowy field. The world is hushed, wrapped in a soft, white silence. In your palm, you hold a single, delicate snowflake, intricate, glistening, fleeting. You can feel it, you could see it, experience it. It exists only right now. But if you start thinking about the snowflake you held yesterday, or worrying about the one you might catch tomorrow, you miss the one melting in your hand right now. The past is just like that, a snowflake that has already melted. And the future is like a snowflake that has yet to fall. But the now moment, the one you are living, breathing, experiencing, is the only one that's real. And right now, you are here. Here is a simple mental hack to return to the present. When you catch yourself lost in thought, gently say, "Oh, that's a future thought," in case you're worrying about what might happen. Or you could say, "Oh, that's a past thought," if you're replaying something already done. This creates space between you and your thoughts. And in that space, you reclaim the present moment. You can ground yourself instantly with this technique. Right now, wherever you are, ask yourself, what do I see? Think of shadows, colors, soft light. What do I hear? Distant sounds, silence. What do I feel? Warm blankets, cool air, shoes on your feet. What do I taste? Tea, mint, nothing at all. What do I smell? Lavender, rain, the scent of night. Your senses exist only in the now, and by using them, you pull yourself back fully and effortlessly. Here is a visual trick to quiet the mind. You want to let your thoughts float without grabbing them. Picture your thoughts like clouds drifting across the sky. You don't need to chase them. You don't need to hold on to them. Simply watch them pass. When a thought appears, gently say, "Ah, there's a worry cloud." Or, "There goes an overthinking cloud." Let them move, let them fade, and return to stillness. If you're using this meditation to help you drift into sleep, let your body soften like a feather floating down. Let your mind quiet like ripples on a lake, slowly fading. Right now, in this moment, you are safe. You are whole. You are enough. Breathe in peace. Exhale all that no longer serves you. There is no past to fix, no future to control. Only this moment holding you exactly as you are. Let go. Rest. Surrender. The night is gentle, the world is soft, and peaceful rest is here, waiting for you. As you rest here, drifting deeper and deeper into relaxation, know that this moment is enough. You are enough. Nothing more is needed. Nothing more is missing. Everything is unfolding in perfect timing. If this meditation brought you peace, I'd love for you to return again whenever you need it. You are always welcome here. And if you'd like to explore more restful meditations and dreamy sleep stories, You can find them on my channel, Cloud Love Sleep Meditations. Simply follow along and let the night take care of the rest. For now, there's nothing more to do. Just float. Just rest. Just be. Rest well, my friend.